れで終わりじゃないから僕らの旅は続いていく諦めない限り何度だってやり直せる何度だって立ち上がる強い気持ちで To be continued
バンドから好きなチームを応援し、映画の魔法
黒く覆われてる空人々の望みは砕け散る
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Saan ba tayo pupunta ngayon?
Pupunta tayo sa pinakabagong Harry Potter attraction dito sa Tokyo.
Tara, puntahan na natin. Dito na kami sa
The Making of Harry Potter Studio Tour here in Tokyo, Japan.
Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya. Pasok na kami. Makikita mo ang labis na ligayahan. Isa pa sa napapansin ko dito sa Japan, napakaraming uwak, no?
Yes.
Kalapate, pakalat-kalat lang. Kung sa Pilipinas, huhulihin yun.
Lutuin na kamo. May nakikita na ako! Oh my God!
Ayan, pagpasok namin, makikita mo yung malaking dragon sa entrance. Nasa Harry Potter ba yan?
Yes, yan ay isang Hungarian portal na part ng Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Yan yung dragon na na-assign kay Harry on the first task sa Triwizard Tournament.
Pang-ilan yan? Pang-ilan?
Pang-apat.
Pang-apat?
Yes. Teka, isusuot natin ito eh. I'll wear this.
So pagpasok namin sa entrance, merong ibinigay sa amin. Ito yun.
Ito ay tinatawag yung digital guide. So I think it comes when you purchase the ticket. So because I did, because when I purchased this through the website. So mind you, I waited 8 hours I think bago ko nabili yung ticket. So it comes with this, the digital and souvenir guides. So we got our so it's like a headset piece, no? So it's a virtual, it's gonna provide us virtual tour as we go around the set or the studio. So we're getting it. First up, production design. Okay.
Ano ba itong nakikita natin ngayon?
So it's a collection of all the posters all throughout the series, from English to Japanese. And then yung nasa likod, sila yung directors, producers, sila yung mga tao behind the magical movies of Harry.
Happy?
This is my house, so this is where I should be sitting. Nasa Great Hall na tayo. So this is one of the famous setups sa Harry Potter all throughout the films, right? So walang movie na walang Great Hall. So ito tayo.
Seemingly very real, comprehensible understanding of the environment. We always felt that we didn't want to go too far into it.
Hey guys, we're part of the moving frames here in the Marble Staircase area.
Nakita nyo na si Dante Gulapa na nasa Harry Potter. Ayun o. Yun o. Yan, isa pa. Yun.
last part is the souvenir shop na last stop. So ito may interactive wand station. So tinap mo yung dulo ng wand, it's gonna project kanina ba yun? Or kanina yun.
Kaya kanina yan.
Ito kayo ba? Wala. This one is for my yeah, iba yun. And the other one is Paris. So this is Ron's there.
Ito isa.
That's Malfoy.
Galing, no? Ito.
Oh, Voldemort.
Laban yan.
Sa Quidditch filming experience where we get to somehow be audiences or part of the film during the Quidditch games. So excited na kami. Part kami ng Gryffindor, so we are cheering on the right team.
Matatapos na yung kabila, kami na. Sabi ko kay Jelen, dapat nasa unahan kami. Kasi tingnan mo. Ayun o, parang ganun magiging pwesto namin mamaya. Kami na, instant artista to. Galing yung mga arte ha.
Susubukan ng acting skills namin sa big screen.
お見事声援もブーイングもすごい迫力でした。皆さんはたった今映画に出たんですよ。今日から立派な俳優です。どんなシーンに仕上がるか気になるでしょう。僕もです。それでは早速見てみましょう。
Coffin is released and the game begins.
Nakakita mo yun?
Slytherin takes possession of the coffin, literally passes to Captain Marcus Flint.
Give me that.
He's got the clip. He's got great and 55
素晴らしい。まさに迫真の演技。スタンドの熱気がピンピン伝わってきました。皆さんグッジョブ。おかげで魔法ワールド作品に新たな名場面が誕生しました。今の映像はダウンロードできますから、ご希望の方は忘れずに友達や家族と共有してみんなに自慢しましょう。
Pinapanood namin kanina yung re-enact yung isang scene dun sa Harry Potter. Parang parang may iba dun sa audience. Parang may unggoy eh. Tingnan nyo to. Parang tayo yung ibang-ibang ibang-ibang reaction dun kanina eh, no?
Ikaw lang siya. Gryffindor and Hufflepuff Hogwarts meal set. So Gryffindor kay Michael, Hufflepuff sa akin.
Let's eat!
Hi guys! andito kami ngayon sa famous Hogwarts Bridge. So it's definitely man-made, but it's giving us the feels. Ngayon, dumaan kami sa Hogwarts Bridge. So right over there. Yes. Galing kami dyan. Ngayon, iikot kami. So what you're gonna see now is the chess set. Which is part ng first movie, Sorcerer's Stone. So, malaki pa sa amin. Okay, so that's about it. So we spent 5 hours inside the studio tour of Harry Potter. So that's Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour. So 5 hours, mga 1 hour mahigit sa pagkain and pagpila. Sobrang dami ng tao. Nakaka-overwhelm yung fandom ng Japanese Harry Potter. So kami lang halos yung foreigners. Medyo nahirapan kami kasi all Japanese. Everything Japanese. Happy. I am very happy person, a very happy birthday celebrant today. So thank you, Mama, for joining me. And sabi niya manonood daw kami ng Harry Potter. So, yes.
Sa aeroplano.
Sa aeroplano.
Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Nag-enjoy naman kami kanina dun sa yung nire-reenact yung isa sa mga part ng movie.
Yeah. Lahat naman na-enjoy. Ako lahat na-enjoy. Definitely, it was worth the trip. I am very, very happy sa birthday ko ngayon. And very, very emotional din. Because I have been a fan since 2000, since the early days of Harry Potter. So, more than 20 years na.
Sa lahat ng mga Harry Potter fans,
yes, please. This is very, very worth your money, your time, and everything else.
kaya puntahan nyo to.
So if you have questions, you can ask and we'll be more than happy to accommodate. May time pa kami, so mag-ano na kami, magsusouvenir hunting, pasalubong buying. We'll see you there.
Hello guys, sa aming last day dito sa Japan, pumunta kami dito sa Akihabara. Yan. Dito medyo maraming mga laruan,
gadgets,
at kung ano-ano pa.
Hey guys!
Hello.
So, we're done na sa pag-shopping. Mamimili ng pasalubong. Dito kami sa Akihabara. So, pauwi na. I guess that's a wrap for our Japan tour because tomorrow we're going home. So, ayun. Okay.